No, thank you. No, really, thank you. Thank you so much for taking the time to tell me this. This is a real eye-opener. Yeah, you're right, this doesn't look good on me. And maybe I should ditch the blonde wig. That's such a good idea. Tell me, what would you like to see me in then?
My inspiration comes from you. Oh, what an honor. I am not worthy of your kindness, noble intentions.
Thank you so much for this opportunity. Yeah, this is really good exposure for us. And exposure shouldn't have a price, right? Because money doesn't rhyme with creativity.
My inspiration comes from you. Oh, what an honor. I am not worthy of your kindness, noble intention. Couldn't have done this without you and your opinion. Enlighten me